Therefore, I remember Kwaba head about Xposed. So Xposed is no Ghana and beyond. Kennedy Atopia Agyapong Aka Assembly. And maybe a call Abroche in a meeting, meaning say a conference, and no more have now in Simbabwe about once or no sooner in MPP no person standing for the flag bearership. I hope say Obama president of Ghana in the next coming years. Say then a Beba 2024 meaning MPP for anybody decided if they want to make him the flag bearer. Now when I work as on work as a fair and no pray. Over Ghana, our way of farming is very bad. Very, very poor. And our system now here used to know very bad, even with importation. Because go meeting me and I have a say you Ghana. Near shame baby say you be giant importation. Cast a ewa broche did more than 5 years in a year. Young clan from Babu. I did the from 1 to 5 years on pay. And you bet they are more than 5 young crack and for Ghana because Nizana bar, Vindo bar, Babe assemble. But come on, them can pray. So our cars, can the ordinary Ghanaian purchase those cars? Because those cars are going to be expensive. Sanke baby, I will see you say, Yama hand me assembly point, Nanka Sanko for and channel market, and co Africa. Not say the importation one and cost star. Because they man Babe localize it, and you'll be a little bit of you, and you'll be a little bit design. It's then no person much there. Also, call no cotton and meeting no car say, more ministers will more new shade. Because more the answer my MPs. Munya to my beer, munya importation. More the answer my election and you don't know what is going on. To more can you pay. These things, some importation as okay, it's going to lose jobs. Won't be some for some more criticize our company near how many employment are going to allocate for Ghanaians. And then or to us so they call farming. Actually, say, oh my meme, or my way more. Still now, your my farmers not than lazy. Why? Because they say your mom fertilizer. To Cranino, a beer na or different fertilizer goes no I got because of the fertilizer heading. Eguso, your man agrochemicals. Say Diania dibia or hano, chemicals. Also what bad broche, or draw broche coya or fair. Ye dear garden X, a broche, garden X, I ye video, ye dear granite. And you may be Uncle Ghana, yet cherish ye sportino. Kofuni will say the chemical and the aerialize so her until they will find a natural way to grow those stars in their country. And then Bruni or China Tennessee will say I China near Tennessee will say okay now Obebia cocoa no so export because he wants to enlarge his industry. And then sadly when he is a way of farming no still I localize into one more Ghana. He will find a measure way. I only go for back say no your chama your family or Ghana no and you're very bad. That no same way I came. Young coffee video to pray on Ekasai. Na yeba no won send me so a meka e de to ato.
I have a vision, and my vision is at least 50% of the industries should go to the north because of the nature of the land. We need that. 3 days ago, I had an encounter with young exporters, and the way they were lamenting, we need to change our style of farming. With these woodicides, the chemicals that are harmful to our body. Now, FDA in America is saying that they will not allow them to bring the yam anymore. Why? Because of the woodicide. We need to change it. When we do large-scale farming with fertilizers and everything, we don't need the woodicide. But these small farmers, the agrarian style, and woodicide have made Ghanaians lazy. All they'll do is they'll go and spray it on the weeds, and they go back home. This is causing us. And look, I saw something there and I panicked. Could you believe that now they are growing garden eggs in America? Garden eggs. Garden eggs. I saw it myself at the African shops. Garden eggs. That is dangerous. If China is also growing cocoa, that is dangerous. We have to think about this. And when I go back, I'm going to speak strongly against our style of farming. It's important. Even granules. I saw granules from here. I saw it myself. And I panicked. Ish. So all these mechanized farming that we are talking about, a time will come we take advantage of the AGWA, African Growth Opportunity at the end. But you bring the things here and the chemical content harmful to the human body. They will prevent us. What are we going to do? It is important. You need a leader who goes down to the ordinary people and share their problems with them, to know what is the problem. They talk about custom, the way custom officers treat them. When they bring their foodstuffs here, because of AGWA, is free. You see, you might underestimate them, but the analysis they made to me, the argument is that they paid all these duties and shipped the things here. Their money that is being transferred, it goes straight to Bank of Ghana and they convert it into cedis. Such people should be given exemptions because you are going to get the dollars.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
You see, you are taking duties from them. They bring it to American market, it's free. They transfer the money back home and Bank of Ghana gives them cedis. You give them cedis, Bank of Ghana rate is about, when you go to the market, excuse me, it's about 2.5 basis point, which is 25%. What Bank of Ghana will give you if you are going to change dollar? No, okay. Yeah. When you go to the market to buy your dollar, the difference is about 25%. How?
It's true, Papa.
How?
It's true.
And when you are arguing, another mistake in our budget today is that, I ask all of you questions. In America here, where they produce Ford, Lincoln, Cadillac, and whatnot, don't they sell used cars here? Ghana. Now the law is that you cannot bring a year to 5-year-old car because VW is going to produce brand new cars in Ghana, because Nissan is going to produce brand new cars in Ghana. And when I was arguing with one guy, he said, come out and let's debate. Then when he started, I said, you see, because you don't work, you are sitting here as a minister, they give you money to chop. That's it. You don't know anything. And the way you are treating these traders, the direct tax through custom duties is more than anything in the country.
Exactly.
Look at the number of people that are going to lose jobs. How many jobs are these new companies going to create? We didn't sit down to analyze all these things. We just come out with policies. Don't bring used car. Just 2016 MPP, I bought 240 used pickups for campaign. Today you are in power. You are telling Ghanaians not to buy used pickups, used cars. First of all, what is the purchasing power of every Ghanaian in the country? How many people can afford brand new cars? What I expect the Minister of Trade to do is to tell the new companies to use Ghana as a hub, produce these new cars, and sell it to the African market. Because the Ghana market is so small, all these companies that are manufacturing brand new cars, how many Ghanaians can afford brand new cars? Jesus Christ. That is why you need a pragmatic leader, not book. A leader who has been in trenches with the people and knows the problem, identify himself with the people. So please, I'm before you today. I can speak on and on and on and on, but I don't want to bore you. I want to sit down for you to ask questions. Anything that baffles you, I'm open. No censorship. Feel free. Ask any question you want to ask. Anything that bothers you, please, I'm ready to answer your question. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's your Kennedy in Sema or can not just all can in some paper. Now, when I make can send me try and seminar to won't say, down on your heart and I can't talk about ever can be said. And the youth of the country are lazy because they don't want to indulge into dirty works, especially farming. See, in abroad, farming is no more a dirty job because they have created enough equipment and staff to grow crops in any aspect that you want. But is it available in this country? And you need pay wusika and need to me a good farming in this country. I tractor so Babroche, Minkaida Brunia, a farming wa Brocha, 7 will use cutlass. Cutlass, ye the chanam, our Broche, and find your farming. Ye won machine, a harvesting yoma, a bubu bro, and ne kana ye gusui, a bubu bra, ye yusu yensa, a bubu bro, poto bebrino, ye gusu ye wasted of stars. Inti obi bekasi ye lazy, we are not lazy, but the way of approach a day and your man is still a cake. And a madam who say Xposed Jaja, maybe bashe, your papa can tank a banner or bekasi ye lazy. A come out the because Okasi and per farming. A system of farming, a man called any person make your farming. Because Sikano and no money at your farming. Every day, you see your social media. Farming is so simple and easier. You just need a little work. You need the machines and other stuff, equipment to work. Adi Brunia used to trim, Nasadini, the mower, the mowy garden. I feel granny be a Clavagana. The Brunina Conin ahead of us 10 years and 5 years. Now, fair as I know, man, ye better, there be more Ghana. A best sending a Becosu. The Bussian for mamma did mediate from Diddy more. And you can call me, Amanda, obey me, I'm from the Africans, aha, and I'm doing this. That's Sunday, the best my crown. Bye bye.